Hey there, guys. So I just wanted to give you a quick update into what that particular artifact is. And it is a cylinder seal, and it comes from Cyrus the Great. And he was really one of our first known, at least for evidence that we have, people who chartered human rights in the world. So what it is baked clay, and they carved in that cuneiform script, right? And this was during the time of our Babylonians who inhabited Mesopotamia. You know, Mesopotamia is just a region of the world, and there were many people who actually lived there. Our Sumerians, our Persians, Babylonians, right? And he was a Babylonian king, okay? And he had that cuneiform, that writing, placed in it, and then what you could do is you would roll it out onto the clay, and it would imprint the words onto the clay, so they could make many different copies of this, so it could be placed in different places around the kingdom. Isn't that cool? So I hope you had some interesting guesses for this particular artifact, and I hope that the explanation did not disappoint. I do have a little bit more information about it if you would like to read about the types of seals and things that they have, but I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks, guys.